All right, a little update on the Coyote Swap Fox. New fuel system. All the parts are coming in. This is a year one tank. It's 2000 to 2004 Cobra tank. It is the sumped tank. Getting the 4 Innovations dual pump hat. This tank accepts your factory fox body filler neck, your factory fox body vent, bolts in factory location using factory straps. Nice stuff. Nice coating on there. You don't have to worry about rust, especially if you live up north. It's a good looking tank. I got some 4 Innovations fuel rails coming. 10 line, 8 return. Finally gonna get some RPM out of this.